to find the seeds of these 4 o'clock plants. These are very hardy flowers. You don't need any fertilizer to grow them. They are in many variety of colors and very easy to grow from seeds. I have grown this plant from seeds. Now you can see once this flower withered away, you will see these type of small bulbs appearing in your flower plant, and when they dried out there will be a black color seed inside it, so they will produce more plants for you. So these are very hardy plants. 4 o'clock flowers are very easy to grow, and there's an aroma as well. Now look at this. This is the seed pod. So you can grow another plant with this seed. It's a black color seed. This is the seed. So you need this to grow the 4 o'clock flowering plant. Easily put them in a flowering pot or else on ground, and you will see this plant grows really very faster without fertilizer. You can grow them without fertilizer on ground if you have space, but if you don't have space, you can grow them on pots as well.